I can be as sharp as a sword, yet gentle like the breeze. I can travel the world without moving an inch. I can build up or destroy, but I can never be touched. What am I? This is one of 50 Murphy's Magic Spooktacular Sales Events mystery boxes. Every single one of these boxes is worth $500, and there are 50 to be won. And that's because Murphy's Magic are giving away over $25,000 worth of magic tricks in this year's event. This is one of those 50 boxes, and one of you watching this video right now is going to win it. In today's video, I'm going to take you on an interactive global treasure hunt. There are 3 questions in this video. One you've just heard, and 2 more hidden throughout. Once you get all the answers correct, once you've figured out how to put the answers together, you may be taken to a secret location. That secret location will give you a name. Once you have the name, go to lloyd.tv/ and insert the name. I will be announcing the winner on October the 25th. Good luck. Now I need to show you what's inside the box, but since Murphy's Magic have sworn me to secrecy, I can't actually show you what's inside the box, so you're going to see my reaction to what I see. Here's a first look. Holy... Yo. What is this? Okay. I actually wanted one of these for a long time, so that's what I need. This is insane. What? No! What's this? Whatever it is, there's strong magnets inside it. I just figured out what that is. Okay, cool. There's literally... What? First of all, how did they even pack this box? Because I don't know whether to take everything out of this box, because I don't think I'm going to be able to pack it. Oh, what? Oh, damn. Oh, come, what? Wait a minute, what are these then? No. Alright, I'm putting this back in. This feels like way more than $500 worth of magic. Seriously, like way more. Ha, that's interesting. I just counted how many decks of cards are on my shelf right there, and there are 141 decks. If I took the 3 decks out of here, I'd have 144, which is an obscene amount of decks. I wonder if there's another word for that. One lucky winner is literally having this box sent to you, handpacked by me, might I add, wherever you are in the world. Like I said, I hope you've watched the whole video, because throughout it, there will have been 2 more questions with secret answers. Put those together, they might take you somewhere across the world. Go to lloyd.tv/ a certain name and follow the instructions from there. I really don't want anybody to win, so you have until the 25th of October when I'll be filming the announcement. The winner will have this exact package sent to them anywhere around the world. But don't forget, there are 49 other boxes to be won. That's over $25,000 worth of magic being given away by Murphy's Magic at the Spooktacular Sales Event. There's also 20% off some of the best ever Murphy's Magic products themselves, so keep your eye on your favorite magic dealers. You're in for an absolute treat this Halloween. Now, good luck for the treasure hunt, but secretly bad luck. I don't want any of you to solve my clues, my riddles, my questions, because I don't want to give this away. See you in the next video.